So the second step is to have an acceptable photo. For this reason, you should know many of the requirements, and you can have them in front and read by self. So once again, Google green card finding dv program.stay.com, and there is photo examples. For examples, and as you see, starting from November of 1, 2016, eyeglasses will no longer be allowed in new visa photos. So if you are wearing glasses, you should leave them for a picture time. So acceptable photo is clear and in color, reproduces skin tones accurately, and is properly exposed with no shadows in your back. So glasses not accessible. Size and position 51 by 51 millimeters. You can go to any of the photo studio and do this picture right, and not doing by self with a telephone or anything like that by putting something in your bag as a phone. Acceptable photo is sharp without any visible pixels or printer dots. So no editing photo. It should be natural like. An acceptable background is cropped out using a photo retouching tool, altering the outline of the head. Editing this one and like cutting many of the face or head reliefs. So is applicant is directly facing camera and looking directly with a neutral expression. Eyes are clearly visible without smiling or something like that. So many of the people from Arab countries like can have special wears, but face should be visible clearly. Background is uniform and usually white or off-white. How about children? No other person is in the photo. The child is facing the camera within his eyes opened. So important is a white background. People should be in a front of this or in the center of this picture. Size should be 51 by 51 millimeter. It is color photo. It is with white background. You should be in center. Look forward without any smile or another mood. And of course, face should be visible clearly. Once again, you have to go to one of the photo studio and ask for making you a photo for a green card lottery. Usually people know all the requirements and are giving you the right photo, because sometimes from this photo which do not correspond, you will not be able to register.